Hello, little fashion quillistas. Savannah knows that fashion is more than just looking good. It's a way to express who you really are. But what if your outfit could change with your mood? Today, we're making a magic mood dress or cape that changes colors when you touch it. Ready to make fashion magic? Let's go! What you'll need: a plain white dress, cape, or t-shirt, color-changing fabric paint, either heat-sensitive or UV-reactive paint, a sponge or soft brush, optional glitter, gems, and fabric markers for extra style. First, let's make our fashion magical. Use color-changing fabric paint to draw or stamp cool patterns onto your dress or cape. Some colors change with heat, like when you touch them, and some change in sunlight. Savannah hides her true feelings behind her couture, but your fashion will reveal how you feel. Write words on your dress in magic paint, like confident or brave, so they only appear when the dress warms up. Now let's test it out. Run your hand over your dress or step into the sunlight and watch the colors change. It's like your dress is alive. Are you ready for the Magic Mood Runway Challenge? Step 1. Play putting on a show. Step 2. Do a fashion walk and touch your dress to change the colors. Step 3. Show your transformation and tag #MagicMoodRunway. This is your moment to shine. Show the world your magic mood fashion. Want to be in our next video? Post your magic mood dress using #MagicMoodRunway, and we'll feature the best ones. Like and subscribe for more fashion fun, and don't forget to put on a show. Safe, non-toxic color-changing fabric paint options. Thermochromic or heat-sensitive fabric paint changes color with touch and body heat. Non-toxic options include Solar Color Dust, thermochromic fabric paint, which is safe for kids and water-based, and Jacquard Dynaflow, which is fabric-safe, non-toxic, and water-based. UV-reactive or sunlight-sensitive fabric paint changes color when exposed to sunlight. Non-toxic options include Solar Color Dust, UV-reactive paint, and Tulip color-changing UV fabric paint, which is washable and safe for kids. If you're concerned about mess or long-term wear, use Crayola washable fabric paint, which is non-toxic and great for temporary designs, or Tulip puffy paint, available in glow or color change options. Safety tips for kids, ages 4 to 8. Always check labels for non-toxic and AP certified. Use water-based fabric paints for younger kids as they are easy to clean. Supervise during painting to avoid accidental ingestion, and wash hands after handling paint.
Welcome to Paisley's Fashion Forest. You can sing, create, and sparkle, twirl and dance with all the animal top models.